Hi, and welcome to another week of clinical engineering. In this week, we are going to be looking at self generating sensors. Now, what are self generating sensors? When we looked at the sensors previously, we looked at resistive sensors and we looked at reactive sensors. And what do we mean by that? What we said was that if you have a physical quantity, so if you have a physical quantity and you give it to a sensor, the output would be a change in resistance or it would be a change in reactance, right? And you would have to use that, you would have to change that change in resistance or change in reactance to a change in voltage using a signal conditioning circuit, which would involve an external voltage source, right? Only then you would be able to get a voltage or a current. However, self-generating sensors are sensors for which you do not need any electrical input to get a voltage and a current, right? They generate an voltage or a current at the output. So these kinds of sensors are called self-generating sensors. Now there are various kinds of self-generating sensors. So for a few examples are piezoelectric sensors. You have thermocouples which measure temperature, and you have electrochemical sensors which measure concentrations of ions in a solution and things of that kind. Okay. In this module, we are just going to be looking at piezoelectric sensors. We'll look at what piezoelectricity is, what is this phenomena, what are the kinds of sensors, and how we can use them. And we'll look at some signal conditioning circuits that are used to process the output of these piezoelectric sensors.